Some good vids.
Alrighty, video Blizzard Diary 2006, 2:45 p.m. on Thursday. Is it Thursday or Friday?
Thursday.
Lost track of time, so this completes for us a 33-hour shift.
Me, 32-hour shift.
Wimp.
33-hour shift.
Got a few cat naps in there, but not a lot. Plowed the crap out of the field. Lost count of how many times. Just took about every inch off, inch and a half. So, and we had 24 inches in Denver officially. Got it off. Snow stopped this afternoon. Got the covers off. Look at that. That's a couple hours after the end of a 24-inch blizzard. I'm proud of that. My crew, they're heroes. I got the army in trying to work the stands. You can see these 6-8 foot piles of snow all the way around that we plowed up. That's going to be the next challenge, but for now we're going home, get some sleep if we can make it in the roads. Drew made it home, so we have encouragement. I got a 4-wheel drive. Get some sleep and hit it again tomorrow. Hopefully paint a good majority of it tomorrow. It's pretty firm out there though. Actually using the power washers. Howie's brilliant idea. Seems to be working. Oh, ends my day one diary. Tomorrow's another day. And I'll be giddy on sleep